I think we got one.
Hey, I be grinding to make it out. Almost dropped out of school, but I made it out.
Chat, what up, chat? So right now it's 3 in the morning. Right now we're in lunging session, and this is what the market looks like. This little red candle tab right here. This little tab right here is what it looks like now. But before, that was a blue candle, and the blue candle was like this big. It was indicating reversals because the other candle before that was red, right? But it started shrinking and shrinking and shrinking. So I knew that eventually that just means that buyers are losing momentum. Late night, I made $300, so that's a good thing. I withdraw $300. I'm waiting for it to hit my account now. I also, here we go, right here. You guys can see that, but it says some Bitcoins on there, on that first one. Let me show you guys real quick. Yeah, so $295 coming into the account. Yeah, so I made $300, and I also made $300 in my trading account as well. So that's a total of $600 today. So that's good. At least I got to make some profit today. Yeah, I still went in and put a small trade in, just so I can make a little bit more money, make it even. With very, very little risk, and I'm about to head to sleep. But me and my girlfriend were watching The Matrix on I think it's Hulu or something. Yeah, so I just put a trade in, and yeah, got busy. So let me show you guys real quick on the chart right here. I will show you on my screen, but my Streamlabs isn't working. So this is the daily right now, right? That's what it looks like. If you go to lower time frame, 4 hour, this is what it looks like. See the two big red candles. And then right here, if you go to the 1 hour, this is what it looks like. And this was our profit and P&L for just like a stop loss and ratio. So 12.78 is the ratio. So this green would be like what I'm targeting. So right now, right here, we're targeting this level 4540, and this is basically our stop loss right here. This little red area right here. So it's 12.78. So $1 for $12.78 for if you put 500 or whatever the ratio is. If you put $1, you'll get $12.78 back. So basically, yeah, this is my trade, and this is our target, 45.40. The market was open a while ago, so I've been in it since 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. I missed 3 hours right here. These 3 hours right here, like Tokyo hours. I missed those hours, so it's all good though. I saw that it was breaking, and I just took a sell. So the way to tell right here is like this. Let me show you guys one more time. So see this right here, this M right here. So basically it went up, right? And then it went down, then went up, and this is like a higher low, lower than this one, and this high, lower. So then that means indication that's gonna crash. I first learned how to trade through my boy Swaggy C. My boy Swaggy C, he's different. But I learned how to trade like the basics from him, kind of a little bit of structure, like pip talk, all that kind of good stuff. And I also learn from Trade by Side. He has a good story. You kind of have like a similar story because I was homeless when I was younger too. But Trade by Side, he's, man, he could like tell the future with gold. It's like he knows where it's at by heart. I mean, I can tell where the market's at, like money wise, but he can tell like where it's at in the future. So if you guys want to learn how to trade or how to do this too, besides like watching my channel, I would suggest watching xauusd and Trades by Side. Like those are the two people I watch the most, and I watch mostly Trades by Side now because he's just that guy when it comes to trading. So, but yeah, I'm just documenting my journey. Thank God I was able to win the first day. So I got my money like at 11 p.m. So I missed like 3 hours. I was kind of mad about that. I had a little bit of FOMO about like not being in the market while it's moving down. But as soon as I got my money, I just put it in and started selling. So I was able to make $600 in total and take $300 home and leave $300 in my account. So we'll let this small trade with very little risk ride while I sleep. And then we'll take trades on Sunday night because the market closes on Friday at 2 p.m. And yeah, we'll see if we can get a better setup Sunday, Monday, a high quality setup hopefully. And I'm only trading London and New York session because London and New York session are like the best sessions to trade. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Appreciate you guys tapping in with me and keeping up with me. I'm happy because we got a win today, a big win. $600 for the day is amazing. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna head to sleep and hopefully compound my trading account on the next one. If you guys want to see real quick, I'm down $32, $9.31. So this last trade I got, it's $55 to risk, $55 to make $119. I didn't have to be in it, but you know, I wanted my account to be at 1,000 at least. Yeah, so we're gonna let that play out, man. And it's late, so I'm about to catch some Z's, and we'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.